So all you want to do is come over to this platform, click on this like button over here, go to the YouTube video, click on this like button again over here, and boom, you have earned your few points on this platform right away. And then you can claim these points into cash, into real dollars via PayPal or any other payment method you want. And this method is very simple. All you need to come to this website called as Hello everyone, I'm Elton, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn a decent amount of free PayPal cash just by liking other people's YouTube video. This strategy can be done worldwide and anyone can do this just by having a simple internet connection. Even through your phone or through a laptop or PC, you can do it anytime or anyhow you want. Now before I get into the strategy, let me tell you, you can't skip any part of this video because I will be revealing this website name in any part of the video on any second of this video. And if you skip any second or any minute of this video, and you may miss the name of this website, and I don't want you to be wasting your time on this video. Now let me just tell you in brief what this website is about. Okay, this website is nothing but a social media engagement sharing platform. That means hundreds of thousands of creators come on this website to do sub for sub, like for like, follow for follow, etc, etc. That means they engage to other people's social media accounts and they get engagement on their account as well. But there is another part to this website also. You can not only get an engagement back to your platform, but also when you view someone else's content or like someone else's content, you can get PayPal money for it. And that is the exact thing what I'm going to teach you in this video. So stick with me. So the next thing what you want to do is go over here and click on the join option over here. Once you click on the join option, it will show you a page where you have to register with the username, email, password. Again type your password. Your location will be automatically set over here. If you have a referral link, you can put it. If you don't, just skip that part, it's optional. And then you want to type the captcha that is just given on the right hand side over here. Now once you fill out all this information, you want to click on join, and once you've done that, you will be able to come on this page. Now what this page is, okay, this page looks similar to the home page that I just showed you, but as you can see over here on the left hand side above, there are some points given over here. That means whenever you do any job or you perform any job on this website, these points will keep increasing. As you can see over here, you can get multiple points for doing multiple jobs over here. For example, you can like a FB page, you can like a photo, you can play different YouTube videos, you can subscribe YouTube channels, you can like Instagram posts, you can follow a Twitter account, you can tweet, etc, etc. And for all these jobs, you get different types of points. But for this video, we'll be focusing on only YouTube likes. But before that, let me just show you that if you want more points on this channel, you can click on this daily bonus over here. Once you click on this daily bonus, you will hop on this page. As you can read over here, free points every day. And to get these 100 daily points, all you need to do is log in daily, do 15 likes or hits, click button below to earn bonus points, and that's it. You will get 100 daily points only to do these few steps. Now with further ado, let's go into the main strategy that this whole video is about, that is liking the YouTube video. So what you need to do is click on this likes tab over here. Once you've done that, you will hop onto this page. Now as you can see, there are multiple options right in front of you. Now here the important note that you can see, after you like video on YouTube, wait for 15 seconds, then refresh the video page, then close. You need to follow these 3 steps at least to get the points into your account. Now let's see how much points you can get just for doing one like, and then I will demonstrate this procedure and I'll show you how the points are added to your account. And let me tell you, in a minute I'll be showing you how you can earn 5 times more points than these over here using a similar trick like this, okay? 5 times more. Just stick with me and don't skip the video. And if you've loved my video so far, please hit the like button because it will show me how much you are following my content till the end. Now let's go ahead and click on this like button over here. Now once you click on it, it will load a YouTube video. Now what you want to do is scroll down and just hit the like button over here. Once you've done that, wait for a few seconds. Then refresh this page. Now once you're done, as you can see, liked, 9 points added to your balance, and boom, you can see the difference. In just 15 seconds I got 9 points into my account. Now I'll be showing you how you can earn 5 times more, or even sometimes 10 times more these points, okay? 10 times more these points. So what you want to do is go over to this subs tab over here for YouTube, click on it, and then you will be able to go onto a page where you can subscribe to different channels through this platform. Don't worry, if you don't want to subscribe channel from your official Gmail account where you watch YouTube videos daily, I would suggest you to create another temporary Gmail account and then log into your YouTube channel and then click on to this subscribe button over here. As you can see, you will get 29 points for per subscribe that you do from this platform. The previous method for liking a YouTube video was giving you only up to 4 to 9 points only, but here you can see you will get around 29 points just to subscribe to a channel. Now the best and the most important part is to cash out the claimed points from this website. So what you want to do is click on this cash out tab over here. Now once you click on the cash out tab, you will be able to go to a page where it will ask you an option. Either you want to cash out from any of this payment method. As you can see your balance over here, and here are some payment methods that you want to cash out. Most probably you want to cash out from your PayPal account, and here is where I'm going to reveal this website name. This website name is followfast.com. okay, you want to go to followfast.com and then join or log into this platform, and then you want to follow the same task procedure as I showed you earlier in this video. Okay, and then you will be able to earn points, and then you can redeem those points into cash via PayPal over here. And for most of you, if you all don't have a PayPal account, all you need to do is go to paypal.com and then click on the sign up button over here. Once you click on the sign up button, you want to click on an individual account. You want to enter your email address and password and all the details that they ask. It is free to sign up. It will hardly take you 5 minutes and you will get your PayPal account. Then what you want to do is again go back to this platform, click on the PayPal tab over here. Now once you click on this PayPal tab, it will take you to a page where it will ask you your PayPal account. Once you come to this page, you can cash out any amount you want, but the minimum threshold, the minimum amount you can cash out is $1.5, and that's it. It is very easy to get up to $1.5 through this website, and you can easily cash out through PayPal. Now just let me show you. You can enter your amount over here. For example, I enter my amount $50, and then you want to insert your email address, and that email address should be the exact one which is connected to your PayPal account, and that you just created by signing up over here. If you all have doubts whether this website is legit or is it a scam, let me just show you some proof over here. Now as you can see over here, this website shows how much traffic this website gets every month. Here you can see it gets monthly visits of over 300,000 people. That means so many people come on this website every month, like liking the videos, subscribing to channels, following different IG accounts, Instagram accounts, following different FB pages, etc, and they earn daily points through this platform, and then you can easily cash out via PayPal. Now that's it for today. Okay, and before I end this video, I want you to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon, because I want you to be notified whenever I upload new Make Money Online videos on this channel, so that you can be the first mover and be ahead of the competition, so that you can earn thousands of dollars before anyone else does. So make sure you subscribe the channel below and hit the bell icon. And also, if you've loved the content, please like the video below. It helps me, it motivates me to make more videos like this. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.